Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. Today we're going to do 6 best DIY acne fighting face mask. In the quest for smooth, beautiful skin, we all face different issues. For some, it might be wrinkles. For others, it might be acne that always seems to pop up at the worst times. Thankfully, there's a natural way to clear up acne-prone skin with only a few simple ingredients found in your kitchen. The first one is oatmeal and coconut oil face mask. Coconut oil has antibacterial or antifungal properties, so it's an ideal choice to help fight acne. Add to that the soothing and pH balancing power of oatmeal, and you've got an amazing recipe for clearer skin. Let's move on to how to do this oatmeal and coconut oil face mask recipe. Scoop 3 tablespoons of oatmeal into a mixing bowl, add a quarter cup of warm water, mix until you've made a paste, add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and mix well. Wash your face and neck with warm water and an oil-free cleanser to cleanse your face and open pores. Apply the mixture and let it sit for 15 minutes. When the 15 minutes are up, gently massage your entire face using small circular motion for another 2 minutes. This brief massage will help remove dead skin cells that, if left, can clog pores. Finally, rinse the mask off with cool or warm water. Pat your skin dry with a soft, clean towel, and that's it. The second one is avocado and vitamin E face mask. Vitamin E is a powerful immune system booster when taken orally, which also makes it great for treating and preventing stubborn acne-prone skin. But the benefits don't end there. When vitamin E oil is applied directly to your skin, over time it can help reduce appearance of stubborn acne scars. For even more acne-fighting benefits, mix a vitamin E oil with avocado. When combined, these ingredients produce a powerful anti-acne gel for clearer complexion. Let's move on how to do this avocado and vitamin E face mask recipe. Remove the pits and skin from half of an avocado. Mash the avocado in a mixing bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of vitamin E oil and mix well. Wash your face and neck with warm water and an oil-free cleanser to remove makeup and open pores. Apply the mask and let it dry for 15 minutes. Remove the mask with lukewarm water first, then splash your face with cool water to close your pores. Gently pat your skin dry with a clean towel, and that's it. The third one is honey, oat, and whole milk face mask. Most over-the-counter acne treatments contain harsh ingredients that can do your skin more harm than good. Skip the chemicals and go with the non-natural treatments like honey instead. Honey is a natural nourishing agent known for its ability to help skin retain moisture, which prevents your body from producing excess oil that can lead to acne. Oats are beneficial for acne-prone skin too. They contain properties that will help keep your skin clear and healthy. Add to that the skin-tightening lactic acid in whole milk, and you've got a great recipe for all your acne prevention needs. Let's move on to do this honey, oat, and whole milk face mask recipe. Pour 3 tablespoons of dried oats into a blender. Add 1 tablespoon of whole milk and mix until you've made a paste. Mix in 1 tablespoon of organic honey, wash your face and neck with warm water and an oil-free cleanser to remove makeup and open pores. Remove the mixture from the blender and apply evenly. Let the mixture dry for 15 minutes and rinse the mask off with warm water, then splash your face with cool water to close your pores. Pat your skin dry with a soft towel. The first mask is Baking soda and coconut oil face mask. Believe it or not, baking soda is one of the most versatile cleansing agents you can buy. You can use it to clean your counters, your dishes, your teeth, and even your skin. Another surprising benefit of baking soda is that it's a natural exfoliant that is especially effective for those with sensitive skin. It can also help keep your skin pH levels balanced, which is an important factor in the fight against acne. Let's move on to do this baking soda and coconut oil face mask recipe. Mix 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and 1 tablespoon of baking soda in a bowl. Stir until the ingredients form a smooth paste. If necessary, add more baking soda 1 pinch at a time until the paste becomes thick and smooth. Wash your face and neck with warm water and an oil-free cleanser to remove makeup and open pores. Apply the coconut oil and baking soda mixture and let it sit for 15 minutes. Gently massage your skin with small circular motions for 2 minutes. Rinse your face with warm water to remove the mask, then rinse a second time with cool water to close your pores. Pat your skin dry with a soft towel. The fifth one is aloe vera and tomato juice face mask. If you're looking for a way to simultaneously tone your skin, fight breakouts and reduce acne scarring, then you'll want to try an aloe vera gel and tomato juice face mask. It's simple to make and especially effective for fighting acne. Aloe vera and tomato juice face mask is very easy to make. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato juice into a large mixing bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, mix well. Wash your face and neck with warm water and an oil-free cleanser to remove makeup and open pores. Apply the mask and let it dry for 15 minutes. Remove the mask by rinsing with lukewarm water. Splash your skin with cool water to close and tighten pores. Pat your skin dry with a soft, clean towel. Finally, egg white and papaya face mask. Papaya is packed full of acne-fighting vitamins and minerals, including vitamin E and C, beta-hydroxy acid, papain, and potassium. When mixed with egg whites and honey, papaya is ideal for reducing redness, healing acne, and shrinking pores. Let's move on to do this egg white and papaya face mask recipe. Add 1 white egg white in a mixing bowl. Mash 1/2 cup of papaya and add it into a white egg white. Add 1 tablespoon of honey and mix very well. Wash your face and neck with warm water and an oil-free cleanser to remove makeup and open pores. Apply the mixture and let it dry for 15 minutes. Wash the mask away by rinsing with lukewarm water and a soft washcloth if necessary. Splash your skin with cool water to close and tighten pores. Then pat dry with a soft, clean towel, and that's it.